Lithium battery recycling plant is mainly used for the crushing, sorting, and recycling of various types of lithium batteries, including mobile phone lithium batteries, soft-pack lithium batteries, and aluminum shell lithium batteries. It enables the classification and recovery of copper, aluminum, iron, plastics, and positive and negative electrode materials. The advantages of a lithium battery recycling production line include 1. Environmental benefits. Reduces pollution by recovering lithium, cobalt, and nickel. Promotes resource reuse and lowers carbon emissions. 2. Economic benefits. Recovers high-value metals for significant returns. Reduces production costs with recycled materials. Meets growing market demand. 3. Technical benefits. It achieves over 90% recovery rates with advanced processes, automated and efficient with eco-friendly systems.